It was the time of the year again in Korea to celebrate Halloween, while all public gathering places including bars, clubs, and restaurants and streets are fully decorated and people hang out with scary costumes. Itaewon, one of the busiest areas in Seoul, gets so crowded during Halloween. As for the Yongsangu district office, more than 100,000 people visited the area in a single day last year. However, this year, as the Halloween weekend could bring more COVID-19 cases, government officials, Itaewon businesses, and even partygoers were coming together to prevent a super spreader event this Halloween 2020. But health authorities still expected up to 80,000 people to visit Itaewon this Halloween. Popular areas in South Korea capital were bursting with crowds celebrating Halloween on Saturday despite continued warning by authorities against potential new coronavirus transmissions. While most major clubs in popular areas Hongdae, Itaewon and Gangnam were closed as part of precautionary measures. People instead flocked to bars and streets in the areas to enjoy the weekend. Itaewon in the center Seoul yard of Yongsan was crowded with people wearing Halloween costumes. The lines to sign digital entry logs were so long, raising worries over public transmission despite people wearing antivirus masks. This year, crowd like this creates the perfect condition for COVID-19 outbreak. Ethon businesses were trying to make sure that doesn't happen again. Ethon Business Federation also installed a special prevention gate on the entrance of the area's busiest street. Visitors use a QR code to pass through the gate, which takes their temperature and sprays them with disinfectant. Seoul city government officials also inspect some around 170 businesses to see if they were following the social distancing guideline over the weekend. Bars, restaurants, and entertainment facilities have to keep entry locks and make sure customers keep a safe distance apart. Businesses that break these rules would be ordered to shut down for 2 weeks. South Korea reported more than 100 new cases of COVID-19 for a fifth day in a row on the 1st November, where 101 were locally transmitted and 23 cases were imported from abroad. The authorities are watching closely for potential outbreaks from people this weekend celebrating Halloween. Because of the recent crisis in cases, the government announced some revised social distancing measures that would be tailored to different regions as some has raised concern about the social and economic cost of the existing restrictions. The health authorities are closely monitoring new cluster infections because of the crowds going to bars and nightclubs on Saturday to celebrate Halloween. Health Minister Park Young-ho said earlier that the new guidelines would be specific to various regions rather than one size fits all. However, we have to wait and see how the government is going to take steps as well as public reaction to the upcoming events like Happy New Year. Najmul Haq Sajib, Seoul, South Korea.